What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another Evolving Skies booster box. This is booster box number 13. Still going for that master set and trying to find some good cards. And we're gonna go and open up this this booster box. Again, we're gonna go and give away all the code cards. And we're not going to do any code tricks or card tricks. Keep on saying code tricks for some reason. Got all the packs here. And let's see what we can get out of this booster box. Alright, let's go. Booster pack number 1. Got 3 code green cards in a row. Woo! Nice hit. I think I just got that Leafeon, so that's gonna go to Statman. Finally have something to give the Statman that's like reputable. Oh, Lycanroc. Quasar. Just getting a bunch of green cards in this box. Woo! Nice. I don't have that one. Alright, so far so good. We have 4 hits on the first half of that box. I'm going to go and put away all these cards so I have room to put new cards on this table. Alright, let's see if we can get 4 more hits. Another evolution. That's nice. Nice. Another hit. We got 6 hits right now, so maybe we could pull one more. Let's go 2, so we can get 2 more. Wow, one more hit. Suicune. Last pack magic. Ooh, this is a white card. I'm gonna do a code trick. I keep on saying code trick. Card trick. Let's get something good. Last pack magic. Yeah, it's a hit. It's not exactly what I want, but it's a hit. Wow, 8 cards. Nice. So I'm going to do a quick recap of the hits. We got Medicham V and Suicune V. Nice cards. I really like the Suicune. Got Lycanroc VMAX and Dracozolt VMAX. Very nice as well. Rayquaza V, Sylveon V. These two are the kickers, or the winners. I don't have this for sure, and I think this is a double. It's going to go to Statman. At least I pulled some good Evolutions cards. I still need a bunch more cards in my set, and we might break some more boxes, but as of right now, I think box number 13, even though it's an unlucky number, it's going to be where I stop. And thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this box break and my quest for kids hunting for Evolving Skies from a master set. Please like and subscribe, smash that like button. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.